Did you know research has shown women find men who do housework sexy? Besides, a clean home also contributes to you having a healthy life. So man up as we tackle this simple bathroom clean routine. And be sure to stay to the end as I share one tip that will definitely give you bonus points with the ladies. Real men get it done. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is gather our supplies. We're gonna use a spray bottle, some Dawn, a cup of white vinegar, heat it up, and then we'll transition on to our broom and our mop and one microfiber towel to get the job done. Next, we're gonna use the method that I developed called the IC4, and that's just making sure that we know the areas of the bathroom we're going to clean. We're gonna start with the vanity area, move forward with the shower, toilet, and then floor will be the last thing that we do. So remember IC4. And this becomes important for step number 3 because we want to now remove all items from the IC4 area. So from the vanity, from the shower, anything that may be around the toilet or the floor, it gives us the opportunity to start removing some of these items out of the way so that cleaning will be easier. And while we're at the vanity, we're removing items that have collected underneath the vanity, but it's almost a quick pre-clean just to get the rest of the bathroom an easier clean. So we're just getting all the stuff up from the vanity, a quick wipe down so that we can move forward with the rest of the cleaning of the bathroom. Next, we're going to move forward with spraying down all of our surfaces. We have our vinegar that's been warmed up. We mixed that with Dawn. We've created an awesome solution because the Dawn is a degreaser, the vinegar is a all-natural cleaner, and together they're just going to help make the job easier and get most of the work done so you don't have to. So spray all those surfaces down, and then we'll transition to get ready to clean the rest of the bathroom. All right, I want you to pay attention to my microfiber towel. This is a medium-sized one, and what I've done is folded it into fourths because I'm going to use it on the mirror to start with, and then I'm going to use it for the rest of the entire bathroom. One microfiber towel for the entire bathroom. And that's why my IC4 method works, because if you use your microfiber towel, starting with the vanity, you end with the toilet and you haven't cross-contaminated the microfiber towel. And by folding it into fourths, you can transition to every part of the bathroom. The mirror first, obviously, because you have to wet the mirror, then moving for the vanity, wiping down the tub to the toilet so that that towel can go into the laundry when you're all done. Now when it comes to the toilet, don't ever hesitate to overspray. The toilet is gross. Hit that thing, get it nice and clean. And also, feel free if you choose to use gloves. It's my own home, my family. I'm not weirded out by it. Some people are, so get gloves if you need to. No worries, do you. But really clean the top all the way to the bottom of the toilet bowl. All right, we're not done just yet. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Here is my bonus. My caddy and my dry mate. So these are game changers. If you are a couple that have too much stuff in the shower, if you're a guy just want to keep yourself separate from your spouse, the caddy and the dry mate are a perfect fit because it allows you to utilize your stuff in the shower. You can put whatever you want in there, your beard care, your hair care, your face care, and then put it back into your caddy, put it on the dry mate, and the dry mate purposely will not soak through so that caddy can dry out. So this is an awesome discovery. The links will be in the description, but this is a game changer for couples so that you can keep your stuff separate and make sure it doesn't ruin the bottom of your vanity. The dry mate along with the caddy, an arsenal that any man needs for his bathroom.